stop looking for happiness elsewhere. It's true. I do. I know I do. And then I'm in the moment and I just think, screw it. Life's too short. I think about that time when we went out on a family holiday to Santa Margherita in the Easter school holidays. I just turned 15, and I met this guy on the beach, much older than I was, 30s, probably, possibly even early 40s, and he invited me to go sailing the next day. Ben was with me, and he was invited too, but as a protective big brother, he said we shouldn't go because we didn't trust the guy. He thought he was a sleazy creep, which of course he was, but I was furious because when were we ever going to get a chance to sail around the sea on some bloke's private yacht? And told me we'd have lots of opportunities like that our lives would be full of adventure. In the end, we didn't go. And that summer, Ben lost control of his motorbike on the A10, and he and I never got to go sailing. I miss the way we were when we were together. But not. We were fearless. This is real life. This is the art of me. I'm still holding back because obviously I can't say everything I'm feeling, but I just can't. I can just learn how to hold on to this feeling. This one I'm having right now. If I could just discover how to focus on this happiness,